First, open Google Play Store and search for Chatbox AI. Download and install the app. Now, open the Termix application. If you haven't installed Allama and DeepSeek AI in Termix yet, check out our previous videos to learn how to set them up. If you already have them installed, let's continue. Now follow the on-screen instructions.
Popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get.
Now, open the Chatbox AI app.
Well, I'll admit, that's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost. I get
Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings. Under the API section, choose Allama API.
And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots if I miss.
In the Model section, select DeepSeek AI. Finally, tap the Save button, and that's it. Now you can use DeepSeek AI with a graphical interface.
I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning. You could call me academic. I'm always working. Never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison. Needs some antiseptic.
If you get a low RAM memory error, try these solutions. Close background apps to free up memory. Use a high RAM device for smoother performance. Now you have DeepSeek AI running on your phone. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips.